So I'm recording session. So guys, today we are going to discuss about VRV VRF system. So what is mean of VRV VRF? So everyone can see my screen, right? So VRV means variable refrigerant volume. VRV means variable refrigerant volume. If VRF means variable refrigerant flow. Here it will come volume, here it will come flow. VRV VRF means. So VRV VRF, why we are using? Let's say that for basic example, in our houses we are having air conditioning. In air conditioner, inside the house we are having indoor unit, and outside the house we are having outdoor unit. Indoor to outdoor we are connecting with copper pipes. If you will observe, we are having two copper pipes connected to indoor to outdoor unit. So two copper pipes we are having different sizes. Two copper pipe we are having different sizes. One pipe will be small, one pipe will be big. So the selection of copper pipes, that capacity of equipments, how we are doing that things and all we are going to learn here. So I'll give you one small layout so that you will get an idea. So usually this is my indoor unit. So indoor unit means we are going to keep inside the room, means inside the house, office, whatever. So here we are going to get conditioned air. It means cool air. And outside we are going to place outdoor unit. Outdoor unit. From indoor to outdoor unit, we are going to connect with two
Yes.
copper
Could you
pipes.
please mute all mics?
Yes, I have made already.
No, there is, but there is some mics are open.
Yes, I am muting now.
And
So from indoor to outdoor unit, we are connected with two copper pipes. If you see here, here also I have made two copper pipes. One copper pipe size will be having big size, one more having small size, right? In this one, we are going to run our refrigerant. We are going to run our refrigerant. So this pipes will call suction and discharge. Suction and discharge. So for which equipment we will call suction and which equipment we are going to call discharge, now we'll see. So this is flow of my refrigerant. So this is my flow of refrigerant. Small pipe will call suction for indoor unit, and big pipe will call discharge from outdoor unit. So small will call suction, big one will call discharge for indoor unit. If you are considering for outdoor unit, it will make opposite. Small one will call discharge and big one will come suction. So the reason behind this one, indoor unit we are having compressor. and some other mechanical equipments. So inside the compressor and outdoor unit, it's going to run, and whatever refrigerant we are using. So refrigerant we are having different names: R410, R32, R12, okay, R134A. So different types of refrigerant we are having. So in this refrigerant only we are going to run from indoor unit to outdoor unit. From outdoor unit,
Sir, I have a question.
yeah.
That's mean what you are explaining now, the units like split air conditioning or
Yes,
what?
yes.
Okay, thank you.
So from outdoor unit, our refrigerant will go as a liquid. It will go outdoor unit to liquid. We can call as a liquid pipe. So just I'll give you here only. So here arrow symbol is not visible. D, enter dimension, modify, go for symbols and arrows. One feet I have selected. So this is in the feet layout. So that also I'll explain you people now. LE, enter leader line. T, enter text. So otherwise I am copying this one only. CY, enter copy. I am making scaling this one. So this one called suction. So just I am making text here. CY, enter copy from here to here. Every thing will be same on HVAC. Means how we are going to work, what is the refrigerant, and how it will flow, what is the function of refrigerant. Everything will same for VRF, ductable unit, as well as chillers. So whenever we are discussing one by one, we'll discuss. Suction line or gas line, sorry, liquid line. So this one called suction line or liquid line. And this one will called as a discharge line. Or gas line. So any refrigerant, liquid line will be small pipe and gas line will be big pipe. So suction means this indoor unit sucking refrigerant from outdoor unit. After that, same indoor unit, it's discharging refrigerant indoor to outdoor unit. So this is actually a recirculation process. This is a recirculation process. For these two pipes, we are going to use as a copper pipes. So suction pipe will be small pipe because inside the suction pipe we are having a liquid. And discharge pipe is a gas line. Inside that we are having gas. So indoor unit to refrigerant coming as a liquid form. From indoor, it's going to convert as a gas. It's going to outdoor. Again, gas will form liquid. Liquid will go as a gas. So recirculation process. This is refrigerant flow and refrigeration system. If you see in your offices, houses and all, one indoor unit we are having, one outdoor unit we are having. Clear? If we are going for outdoor units, the capacity will be equal to indoor unit in narrow pressure. But if you are going for VRF, what will happen? We are having number of indoor units. We are having number of indoor units. And this is and all we are going to connect with one outdoor unit. See, only one outdoor, we are having number of indoor unit. This outdoor unit, it will send liquid and gas. How much requirement for every indoor unit? So maybe this capacity also will differ. Maybe between 1 TR, this is 5 TR, or this is 3 TR, this is 1.5 TR, this is 2.8 TR, whatever. If you are having different capacity of indoor also, we can maintain only one outdoor unit. It is equal to total indoor unit capacity. This is only called VRV and VRF. Actually, before this is a VRV, variable refrigerant volume. Variable refrigerant volume has been invented by Daikin people. From Daikin people, remaining company people, they have copied their design and all, and they have made VRF. So nowadays, Samsung they are calling with some other name. So they are implementing their own brand, but function will be same. Everyone clear the difference between normal and VRV VRF unit? Anyone having doubt here? So if you clear this basic only, you can understand what we are doing now. Is anyone having any doubt here?
Sir, I have one question.
Yes.
This system described the variable refrigerant volume, as I'm right?
Variable refrigerant volume as well as variable refrigerant flow, whatever we can call.
Yeah, that means we can call them both. Variable
Yes.
VRV or VRF.
VRF or VRV.
Okay, thank you.
So the concept will be same, how it will work.
Okay.
Right? Everyone clear here? Now, actually, this is one of project we have completed in our company. So I think everyone heard about Asian Paints. So Asian Paint building, we are having one company, we are having Chennai, India. So there we have done this project. So the same project only I'm going to take you how to design. Again, real-time project, I'm going to take you this one. So this is a real-time project only. This real-time project, how we have done, I'm going to share my real-time work experience with you people. If you see in here, we are having two buildings. One is ground floor, another one is first floor. So this layout we got from architect. We were having architect. From him we have got this one. In this layout, we have to calculate our entire things. So whenever you are working, whenever you are got layout from your architect, just you copy that original file. From that you copy another duplicate file. From duplicate file only you have to work. Don't work with original file, because some mistakes will happen from architect side or our side. If you did not observe, it will huge problem in installation. I'll show you some small mistakes in this layout. If you see here I am having training room. Everyone can see training room here. In training room, this is a system, computer, and this is a chair. Here I am having 5 systems, and so here we are having 5 systems as well as 5 chairs. But if you are going for second line, you are having 5 systems and you are having only 4 chairs. We don't know that here system is there or not. Maybe they have left this system for people entry, or maybe they did not made here chair. We don't know that thing. So for this small things only, not huge things, whenever we are doing heat load calculation, we have to calculate our persons, number of people. Here we don't have one chair. Maybe that is pair also not there, or they unfortunately missed it. These things and all we have to confirm with our architect. As well as if you are going here naam was workstation, spelling mistake, STATI1 it should be. Small mistakes only. If it is small mistakes, okay. If any dimension mistakes, I'll show you that also. DLI, for example, server room I'm having. So here I'm getting, this is a feet layout, 9 feet 6 inches into 12 feet I'm getting. CO enter copy. So when I have got my layout, maybe let's say that 10 feet into 12 feet I'm having dimensions. So texted here I'm having 10 feet into 12 feet. But when I measured, it's not matching both. Then which one I have to calculate? Which one I have to check? Either this one or this one. Like these things and all, we have to clarify with our architect. So this is small things. You will think that small things. Whenever we are designing, there is no issue at all. But when we are installation, that will become huge problem. Now, so just I'm deleting this one. This is for your reference only. Whatever you observed, just please make a note and you ask your architect. Now here I am having layout. So here I have made for my reference client given drawing. Just totally I am copying. Just total layout I am copying. CO enter copy. This one I am copying from this place to this place, and here I am giving text will be working drawing. DRW means drawing. Why I am copying here? If I am doing work here in this working drawing, I got any problem, or if I got any doubt, maybe layout problem, or whenever we are doing, unfortunately we have deleted, we don't know, then I can check for this layout to this layout. That's the reason I'm telling you guys, whenever you are getting layout from our architect, please copy original file. From original file you copy another duplicate file. In duplicate file only you have to work. If it is small layout, there is no issue at all. You can work with original file or copy file. But whenever you are getting big file, huge files, please copy and then work. So here we are having ground floor and first floor. So either we can go for ground floor or first floor. From your side, anyone suggestion? We will work for ground floor or first floor. Any one of you?
First floor is very good for that. We can in a height, we can check anything easily there.
Yes, okay then. So as per one first requirement, we are going to work first floor, and ground floor will be assignment for you people. So I'm not going to work in ground floor. I'm going to work for first floor. Then you have to work ground floor as a assignment. Okay, guys. If you see here, workstation I am having, workstation, these and all persons. So in workstation, how many persons are sitting, I can check easily. And this is and all pillars, means columns. And here we have 4-pack room. 4-pack means where 4 people can sit. And here and all we are having toilets. If you see here, we are having AHU room. Here we are having AHU room. So this is where we are going to keep our equipment if we are working with AHU. But in this file, we are going to work as a VRF. So we are not going to utilize this AHU rooms. Here we are having coffee table and this rounds and all chairs. Here we are having sofa. Here I have 4-pack room. Here I have 8-pack room. 8-pack room where 8 people can sit. Here 4 people, here 4 people. And we are having server room, store room, 8-pack. Here we are having one corridor. And here we are having workstation. Clear everyone? So in this file, we have to work. So one by one, we have to take one by one room. Then we have to calculate that room area. That area we have to convert into TR. TR means ton of refrigerant. How we are going to calculate our TR? So air conditioner and all we are going to measure as a ton of refrigerant. 1 TR, 2 TR, or 1 ton, 2 ton, 5 ton, 10 ton, whatever. Either you can call as a TR or ton. Let's say that for this one we are having already Excel sheet that I am going to share with you people. So this is a Excel sheet. Here project. So if you see here, here we are having project and client, date, revision. So this how we have to work. So project means, let's say that this one I'll show you. This project means Asian Paints. Client will be Asian Paint will come. Project means building name. Building name. So this is a office building. I'm giving here. We can give building name, whatever building name. Office building I have give. Client Asian Paint. And date, whatever the date. Revision R01, or you can give R-1 also, R-01. So client, project, office building, client, Asian Paints, date and revision. After you are working, if any modification happened, then you have to input your date. Maybe after completing your designing and drafting whatever the things, client has modified some things, then you have to input your date, maybe 30/03/2021, whatever date, and you have to mention as a R02, means revision 01, revision 02. So how many revision you have done? Revision 3, revision 4, revision 5, revision 6, revision 7, revision 10, whatever. You have to give revisions and as well as your dates. Clear? So this is our tentatively I have taken dates. Maybe first revision I have done 23 March, and second one 30 March, fourth one March, 6th April, May, and May. Whatever dates, whenever it's modified, you have to mention date and revision. Date and revision. This is why we have to maintain. Let's say that your client told you that modify the layout. You have modified as a revision 2. And again he told revision 3. And again he told revision 4. Sometimes what will happen, Whatever you modified in revision 2, he will say that modify again revision 4. So client will get confused and they will try to make confuse us, because clients, they don't know sometimes what is what. That time we have to make every perfect record with us. Everyone getting? And now like this you have to make revisions. So this is I am giving you tentatively. So this I am going to highlight, because of this is for your understanding only. Now seen here in this Excel file, SN means serial number, room name, length in feet, length in feet, width in feet, area in square feet, area in square meter, conversion factor, ton. So CFM here we don't require. Here are 089, right? So ton, equipment selection, selected tier. So we are going to give you serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many rooms we are having, and whatever the room name, and length feet. So feet why I am taking here. So this if I measure anywhere, DLI enter dimension. If I am measuring from here to here, this layout as a feet drawing. This layout as a feet drawing. So that is the reason I am taking here feet. If it is millimeters or meters, you have to mention here length in millimeter, length in meters, length in centimeter, right? Now how to calculate our capacity of TR? For this, here we are having, first we need to know about types of buildings. Usually we are having three types of buildings. One is residential, second one commercial, and third one industrial. So residential means where people with their families living together, where families are living. And second one is commercial. Commercial means like offices. And industrial means where people working with mechanical equipments like machineries, mechanical equipments. Commercial means offices. So commercial means we are going to work with computers.
Sir, can I ask one thing, Sir Ilyas?
Yeah,
Sir, hospital in which category you are going to take?
commercial. Hospital will come under commercial only. So if you are working with huge mechanical components only, it will come as a industrial. Got it? Residential, commercial, industrial. So calculation of TR, whatever building that is, area in square meter. So M2 means square meters. Area how we have to calculate. So this is my one room, 4 pack. In 4 pack, I am having room length as well as width. If I multiply length and width, I am going to get area. If I multiply length, width as well as height, I am going to get volume. If I multiply any two, length and width or length and height or height and width, whatever, if I multiply 2, I am going to get area. If I am multiplying 3, I am going to get volume. The simple confused thing is length and volume. If I am multiplying two values, it may be length or width or height or length, we'll call area. If we are multiplying any three of room means we are going to get length, width as well as height. If we are multiplying with 3, we are going to get volume. Now here, to find our capacity, area in square meter into conversion factor. So this is our conversion factors. If it is residential, 0.07 we have to take, commercial 0.08, industrial 0.09. Whatever we are having, area in conversion factor.
That is extended value.
Sorry. So area into conversion factor if we have made, we are going to get capacity in TR. So capacity TR into 400, we are going to get CFM. So here we are not going to calculate TR and CFM. Sorry, here we
Sir,
are not
one for whose mic is on, he is making the sound very bad. Please shut down your mic, please.
Yes. So please mute everyone. Here area in square meter into conversion factor, we are going to get capacity in TR. So up to TR only we are going to learn here. In further classes, we are going to learn TR to CFM conversion factor, here not required. Now this building, which type of building? Anyone can say? This is which type of building?
Commercial.
Commercial, right? So commercial means what is the conversion factor we are having?
0.08.
0.08, right?
Yes, exactly.
0.08. Now serial number 1. Now I am going to take. So I'm going to start with small rooms, then I'm going to end with big rooms. Now DLI, dimension. So this is a width and this is a my room length. So what is the room name? 4-pack. Just give double click here and whatever the thing, copy, Control C, open your Excel file. Serial number be 1. Room name will be 4-pack. Control V I have made. And length. What is the length I am getting here? 12 feet 4 inches. 12.4 I am taking.
Width 11 feet.
Width is 11 feet. Area in square feet formula will be is equal to
11 into 11.
length into width. Enter. So how much I am getting? Area in square feet 136. From square feet to square meter, we are having conversion factor will be is equal to whatever your area in square feet by 10.76. This is your conversion factor. From square feet to square meter divided by 10.76. If it is square meter to square feet, square meter into 10.76. Everyone aware of that conversion factor?
No, sir. This is the first time.
Okay, right. So this building we are having feet dimensions, right? Everyone aware of feet and millimeters, meters?
Yes, yes.
Everyone aware or anyone having doubts?
No,
Don't
this is news for me.
sorry.
This is the first time for me.
That
So continue.
feet and millimeters, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'll show you. I know you know scale, right?
Yes.
Scale.
Yes. Yes.
So here you can see centimeters.
Okay.
So this is a small scale. I'll show you big scale, then you'll get a good idea. Okay, I'll take this one. The scale you can see, right?
Yes.
So here millimeters you can see. It will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 30. So this
Okay.
is a 30 meter scale. Sorry, 30 centimeters.
Centimeter, yes.
30 centimeter scale. If you are going for millimeter, 1 centimeter you are having 10 millimeters.
10 millimeter, okay.
You are aware of, right?
Yes, no.
So if you see here, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10th line will be 1 centimeter is equal
1
to 10
centimeter, okay.
millimeters.
Okay, okay.
If it is 6 centimeter, how many millimeters?
6 centimeter equal 60 millimeter.
Right, absolutely. If it is 23 centimeters, how many millimeters?
230
Yes,
millimeter.
right, absolutely. And 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter.
1 meter, okay.
1 meter equal to 1,000 millimeters.
Okay.
Just make a note. If you are having any notebook, whatever the thing, if you don't know these things and all, please make a note.
Yes, yes, that's what I'm doing now.
Right. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters.
Thank you.
1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeters. Right? Now here we
Yes,
can
sir.
going. Here
Done.
you can see that again 1, 2, 3 big one, 4, 5, 6 up to 12. You can see
In inch.
this is inches.
Inches, yes, okay.
1 inch equal to 25.4 millimeters.
Okay.
1 inch equal to 25.4 millimeters. Accurate. 1 inch equal to 24.5. 1 feet equal to 12 inches. 1 feet equal to 12 inches. 304.8 millimeters. 304.8 millimeters. This is millimeters, inches, and feet. Clear?
That's
You made a
good.
note?
That's good. Yes, yes.
Yes. Now, here, this is in a feet, right?
Feet and inches.
So, one person is asking, you can see my chart also here. So, one person is asking that if there is a measurement of 11 inches, means what measurement should we take? So 11 inches means 1 feet we are having 12 inches. 1 feet we are having 12 inches. So if it is 11 inches, you can go for round figure as a 1 feet. If it is near to the 1 feet, if you are getting about 10 inches, you select as a round only. Next value. So here 4-pack room, length I am having 12.4, width I am having 11 in feet, area I am getting length into width 136 square feet, area in square meter I am getting whatever square feet by 10.76. Conversion factor, this is a commercial building. For commercial building, what is the conversion factor? 0.08.
08.
Right. And ton. So here we are having formula to finding TR. What is the formula?
Area into conversion factor.
Area into square meters. Area in square meters. So area in square meters means this one or this one. Which one?
12.68.
12.68. So this is the area in square feet. This is the area in square meters. So ton is equal to whatever square meters into conversion factor. Enter. So how much TR I am getting?
110, 1 TR.
1 TR. Now what you have to do now here, area is there, right? Just you need to pull totally. If you input your values, automatically your square feet will come. As well as square meter also you need to pull totally. Conversion factor will be same for everything. 0.08 you are copying for everywhere. And TR also you are going to pull everywhere. So equipment selection and selected TR we will discuss later. So what we have to give in this sheet? You have to give room name, length and width. Okay.
One more question, sir.
Yes, sir, tell me.
What do you mean by ton?
Ton of refrigerant. How we are going to measure our refrigerant?
That's mean the units.
Units.
The
Yes.
heating units.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
like 18,000 something like that.
No. 1 TR equal to that conversion factor BTU per hour that I'll discuss. Let's say that you are having measurements. Length. How you are going to measure? Millimeters, meters, centimeter, feet, inches, right?
Okay.
The same way, refrigerant also we are going to measure as a ton.
So
if you want to check your
ton
weight,
is the thermal units.
No, that is the other one. British thermal unit, BTU per hour. That is separate.
Okay.
There
okay.
up to we did not enter. There we'll discuss later.
Okay. So ton is what again?
Ton of refrigerant.
Okay, I will repeat the video of this class again. So I will understand later. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes. See, if you are having weight, how you are going to measure? In kg, 1 kilo, 2 kilo, or 1 pound, 2 pounds, right?
So that is mean this is ton of the ducting.
No. This is ton of refrigerant means how much you require capacity, cooling capacity for that room.
Okay. You can continue, sir.
Yes. So that BTU per hour, kilowatts and HP, that things and all we'll discuss in next classes, further classes. Here how much we need, that one we'll discuss. Now here, so this in this room, this 4-pack room I have done. So whatever you have done, just make a color change, then there is no issue at all. This I am having 4-pack. Again here I am having DLI dimension. So here to here I am measuring. This is showing 11 feet and this is showing as a 12.4. Same. Both I am having same only. Going here 4-pack, control C, giving here control V. So this is also I am giving here 12.4 as well as 11. If I input 12.4 and 11, see automatically every value getting. So this and all you have to get manually. So this I am changing my color. It will come automatically. This you are getting area and square feet, area and square meter, conversion factor and TR. This is automatically you are getting from your sheet. And next I am having this 4-pack room also. I am going to change my color here. And now I am moving into here again we are having 4 packs. DLI dimension, just I am measuring here 10 feet. Here I am getting 9.8. Don't think that every 4-pack room will be same sizes. So here I am getting 10, 9.8. And one more 4-pack also I am having here 10 as well as 9.8. 4-pack 2 rooms again I am having. So I am going here control C for this 2. Whatever I am getting sizes 10, 9.8, 9.8. See if I give 9.8, automatically my values came again. Again, this both I am copying, Control C to Control V. After that, this also I am going to change my color as a yellow. So this is for your reference, whatever we have done like that. Again, here I am having 4-pack DLI dimension. This I am getting 11 feet, and this one I am getting as a 12.3. Again, 4-pack I am having. Control C, Control V. What is the size I am getting? 12.3, 11. 12.3, 11. If I give length and width, I am getting square feet, square meter, conversion factor, everything I am getting. After that, this 4-pack also I have calculated. I am taking as yellow. Then here I am coming 8-pack DLI, enter dimension. From this place to this place 16.2 I am getting. From here to here I am getting 12.1. So I am going here 8-pack. The dimensions 12.1, 16.2. Now see here, 196 square feet, 18 square meters, and I am getting here ton of reference would be 1.46. And now, so this also I have calculated, and here I am adding again 8-pack DLI dimension 13.11 and 12. So 13.11 means I can go for 14. Next value 14 into 12. So this 8-pack I am copying here. (13 feet, 14 feet). Okay, 13 and 14. Sorry, 12 and 14. 12 and 14. Then here 4-pack. Again I am having 4-pack DLI from here to here 12 feet, as well as this one will be 10.1. 4-pack I am going here. Control C, Control V. Just I am implementing copy paste. 12 to 10. Now so this 4-pack, this 8-pack I have done. Now, is any room visit small rooms? See here we are having one room, we don't know this room.
Server room.
Yeah, server room. Actually, we have to calculate heat load calculation. While heat load calculation, I'll
Okay.
discuss how to calculate server room capacity.
So storeroom is there.
Storeroom they are not required any air conditioning. If they required, we can calculate.
Okay. Electrical room.
Electrical room here electrical room server, we are going to produce more heat, right? This one we have to calculate as a heat load calculation.
Okay.
Here we are going to get approximate calculation.
Please, one person at a time.
Toilets and all we have to do ventilation. This ventilation session we'll discuss. Now here we are having coffee table, and here we are having a corridor, right? Coffee table and corridor. So now what I'm doing here, okay, so this coffee table, corridor, and workstation rooms and all tomorrow we'll discuss. Now I'm going here. In market, we are having air conditioning capacity will be 1 tier, 1.5 tier. So I'll mention here 1 tier, 1.5 tier, 2 tier, 2.5 tier, 3 tier. So in total units we are having 1 tier, 2 tier, 1 tier, 1.5 tier, 2 tier, 2.5 tier. This is availability capacity of our equipments. Whenever we are working, try to select maximum will be 2.5 TR only. Don't select 3 TR. The reason behind this 3 TR tomorrow I'll discuss. Now I'll select here equipment selection. So here I'm getting 1.01 TR. It means what is the capacity I have to select here? EQI selection means equipment selection. So 1 TR I'm going to select here. For this one, 1 TR. 0.73 I'm not going to get in market. So this also 1 TR. This is also 1 TR. This is also 1 TR. 1.46.
1.5.
Yes, 1.46 will be near to 1.5.
That one also 1.5.
1.
Next is 1.5.
1.25
1.5.
to 1.5.
Next is 1.
1 tier. So this is our equipment selection. Remaining we are having workstation 1, workstation 2, and here we have coffee table. Then here we have corridor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tomorrow.
Okay.
Hey guys.
Sorry, very noisy. So noisy.
Yeah. So this is our session. Up to now, anyone having any doubt? Ask me.